Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Uh, Actually, today I'm going towards Marine Drive, Mumbai side. Actually, the thing is, I had woken up in the morning early. Me and one of my friend, we were planning to go to Igatpuri side to for the monsoon ride, obviously, but that didn't go because my friend wanted to sleep in more, and yeah, so that's the reason I couldn't go, and I was already up, so I thought like, why waste? So instead of that, I should go somewhere nearby. So that's the reason I'm going to Marine Drives now. I thought it's been a very long time that I've not gone there also, and so I'll just go there, have some breakfast, and then come back. So that's the plan. Which let's see. Fortunately, it is not raining, so I'm happy. And I'm going towards city side, so that's the reason I didn't wear the whole gear. I just worn my gloves and my helmet. That's all. I mean, it's been a very long time that I've not been to Marines. The last that I've gone there was in February. Uh, but I think monsoon this time will be a little bit different, I hope. Let's see. By the way, the look of the bike has been completely changed. Oh my god, it is looking more naked now. Also, this fly screen is making the bike's beauty more beautiful. I mean, it adding that aesthetic touch to the bike. Oh, and to add cherry on top, I've also installed this bar and mirrors. Oh ho ho ho! This bike is just looking like something else only. I'm so happy. Actually, if you have seen the before one, the bike was looking more on the tourer side. I had a little bit taller windshield, hand guards and everything. I had taken it to Ahmedabad and a lot of rides also. So now I'm planning to make it look more naked, and we'll see how it goes. I mean, I can sense the difference when when I've changed the windshield, because now I am getting a lot of wind blasts while riding only. So that's very clear. Man, this thing just pulls. Oh my god, what an engine, man! What an engine! The Duke 250 is the perfect machine to ride in the city. Not just city, but in the highways also. But in city, it is so good. Comparing it with 390, obviously there's a lot of heating issue, and that bike is not suited for city ride, because that thing has more power than this. So if anyone is going to go for Duke, I would recommend them to go for the Duke 250 rather than the 390. I mean, if they just want the 390 for touring or to go on the highways, that's good. But for city rides or locally, if you want to go, please, I would recommend you to go for the Duke 250. had a lot of things planned today. You know, I was supposed to go, as I said, I was supposed to go to Igatpuri. I couldn't because my friend ditched at the very last minute. I mean, that's what best friends do in critical times also. So that's okay. But the thing is, like, the thing is, I thought of going solo also, but it's not safe, I would say, because it's very risky. Monsoon का भी time है, plus it's always better, you know, if you have someone with you. So that's the reason I didn't go. मेरे दिमाग में बहुत बार आ रहा था कि मैं शायद चले सोलो चले जाता हूँ, but I was like no, don't. And I will only add more problem to myself. And I mean, I've done solo ride from Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, but near hilly areas, I mean, little bit risk is there. और मानसून का टाइम है यार, अभी बहुत ज़ोर का बारिश भी चल रहा है बहुत जगह पे, तो इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर कि यू हैव समवन टू गो फॉर अ राइड विद. That's the reason I didn't go. And I thought कि instead of that I'll go near city side, enjoy the marines. And एक्चुअली मुझे व्लॉग भी करना था, तो फिर मैं बोला कि चलो व्लॉग भी कर लेंगे इस बहाने. I want to have some good breakfast. I was thinking of going to Madras Cafe in Matunga and have some dosa. I mean, let's see. If nearby any South Indian cafe, obviously there's a lot of South Indian cafe near Churchgate and Marine. Let's see. I might stop at one of the places, have some dosa and a filter coffee. Oh. See, I am a South Indian, so all these things are what I crave. अरे मैं वीटी पहुंच गया. मैं टर्मिनस पहुंच गया. अरे बाप रे. I never realized कि मैं विक्टोरिया टर्मिनस पहुंच भी गया. That's VT, right? Yeah. Look at the view, guys. Wow. अभी इधर पार्क कहाँ करेंगे? Here's my bike, here's the seat, and that's me. I had a nice breakfast at Anna's Idlis here, and now, yeah, this is where I had some breakfast, and now I'm actually heading towards Marine Lines, where I'll chill for some time, take some time lapse, and then head back to home. Feels so good drive on this lane. In this particular lane, by the way, the Marine Line का जो पूरा स्ट्रेच है ना, ओहो मज़ा आता है यार चलाने में. I'm just sitting here. Bags are यहाँ पर है. Bike is parked there. धूप है फिर भी क्या करेंगे. मैनेज कर रहा हूँ. Good thing is कि हवा बहुत आता है. So yes, I did click some good photos of the bike with this particular view, because which everyone craves for. This is the heart of Mumbai, you would say. And now I'm about to leave home, so I'll end my vlog here. If you guys have liked it till here, please do hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And as always, I'll be uploading more such vlogs in the future. So thank you guys, and see you in the next vlog. You come all the way from your house to Gateway of India just to see the view of the sea, but instead of that you get to see this पूरा कच्चा, पूरा एकदम मस्त बना के रखा है वो लोग ने.